big yard.
So guys, on Sunday the 19th of Feb, we've got late night worship, our next one, which has no agenda. It's just a time to come in the presence of God and worship together. And we usually do it after the evening service. So come for the evening service if you like, and then stay along after around 7:30 to 8, where we'll be starting our late night worship. Join us for that, guys. It's going to be a really good evening.
Just wanna see things like you do. When you turn it upside down, you take my life and you turn it upside down. You made it right, and I see it clearly now. The world's kind of back.
There's power in our togetherness, maybe above and beyond what any of us had yet imagined. Come and join us and be part of something powerful together.
Now we are held together by your love, in the mystery of God.
You are invited to gather together with thousands of other Christians from right across the Black Country to begin to reimagine our future together.
And celebrating together the beautiful things that God is doing in our region.
We are together.
On the 26th of Feb, we've got our baptismal service, which is so exciting, where people can make their decision to follow Jesus and get baptised and take that dunk. So if that is you and you haven't yet made that next step on your faith journey, then why not speak to one of our team? It's coming up soon, and if you'd like to find out more information about this, we'll be having a meeting here at Excel Church on Tuesday in the evening at 7:30. So if you'd like to find out more information and have a conversation about that for you, if that's your next step you want to take following Jesus, then speak to one of us for that baptismal service.
When you turn it upside down, you take my life and you turn it upside down. You made it right, and I see it clearly now. The world's kind of backwards, but I guess that's alright, 'cause you take.
Right, balancing is definitely not my gift. Guys, we've got our new Accelerate course coming along, where you can find out where you can best serve here at Excel Church. It's discovering what your giftings are, what your skills are, what is it that God's placed in you that you can give to others and to serve others around you. So why don't you join that course? It's happening for 4 weeks on Monday nights throughout March, starting on the 6th of March. So come along, sign up online for it, and come along for those sessions where you can discover where God wants to place you here and how He can help you serve.
And I see it clearly now. The world's kind of backwards, but I guess that's alright, 'cause you take my life and you turn it upside down.
This week on Wednesday is Connect Group, so make sure you connect with yours. And if you're not yet in one, let us know, chat to one of us, and we'll love to connect you in so you can have some real Bible study and community together. And that's all for Excel News, so have a great week, guys, and we'll see you next week.